Okay, this is cranberry salad part 2 because my dog jumped all over my tablet and I was just doing it on my tablet. But anyway, so I put in the 3 cups of sugar and I left in some for the whipped cream. And I'm going to whip that to a stiff peak. And then these are the nuts. Just super fine, like can't even tell they're there, but it gives it a good flavor. And I have 3 stalks of celery because I cut like a lot off the top and the bottom because I didn't like it. And I cut some off the side of one. So really 2 stalks of celery, but like this is like, you know, whatever, good piece of celery. And then you do these like shredded or like whatever, like as fine as the nuts or slightly more coarse, whatever you feel. Doesn't matter. It's all texture. And then after you mix all that in, after the whipped cream's mixed in, then you fold in the marshmallows so that they don't dissolve. And then that's it. You cover it, put it in the fridge overnight. Marshmallows get all soft and melty. And then it's delicious the next day. It's so good. Well, it's delicious like when you make it and it's all done. But like, it's like, you know, all done the next day. Well, after a few hours or something. See, there's the celery. It's all shredded and like pretty minuscule. And this is what it looks like before the celery and the nuts get mixed in. You see, there's the whipped cream before I fold it in. And I fold it in and fold in a marshmallow. That's it. Cover it. In the fridge. Or outside if you live in a cold climate. And there is your cranberry salad. Finished product. It's gonna be so good. I love it. Like and subscribe to my videos. And click the notifications button for more delicious, fabulous recipes from Naked Chef Sandra. And don't forget to order Pampered Chef on my Pampered Chef consultant page. Happy Thanksgiving. See you next time.